Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 19th March 2024. In this video, let us continue with the Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain analysis. It is going to be a short video. Even before that, a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos I kept in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course, at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click the link, you get into this page. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these videos one by one and strengthen your skills. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain. Even before that, look into the trades we got in Bank Nifty. Intraday trades. Currently we have a 15 minutes high liquidity zone, but it is a low priority high liquidity zone, and we have fine tuned this 5 minutes demand zone, this 5 minutes high liquidity zone with 5 minutes demand zone. Either you can take a trade here or you can take a trade, but actually we got two trades. One trade is from the 15 minutes proximal entry, and another one is a 5 minutes proximal entry. Actually, this is not exactly 5 minutes. This is a 3 minutes demand zone, because 5 minutes is not very clear. Yesterday we fine-tuned to the 3 minutes demand zone. But anyway, today we got two entries. This is the first one. If you would have taken a trade, and this could be your target. Slightly pierced, but anyway, we are using this for target only. Today it reached the target. This is the way. This is the entry and this is the target. Probably you would have fine-tuned this at 1 minute or 3 minutes in this area. Would have given you a very good RR. But the point you should understand, it has given you around 200 points target. Trade opportunity here. This is one. And another opportunity is when it reached inside here. It has provided another opportunity. Here the target is, see here we have a drop, base drop. This is the way another, and this is another 160 or 170 points move it has given. These are the two long opportunities Bank Nifty has provided. And intraday short opportunity also it is provided. If you consider this rally base drop, hidden body, if you add a hidden body, it will become a drop. Hidden zone, actually this is a hidden zone, rally base, because it looks like a rally candle, but because it is a hidden zone, if you apply hidden zone concepts, it looks like with this, if you add the hidden body, it looks like a drop candle. That way you have a supply zone here. So in this candle close, it came very close. Here you would have got a trade just before reaching. Those who kept some buffer before this proximal line took a trade, you would have got a very short good opportunity. Maybe this could be another 200 or 230 points or 240 points profit you would have got. This is the short trade. But anyway, we are focusing on the high liquidity zones point of view. High liquidity zones point of view, this 15 minutes high liquidity zone given you two opportunities. Are there any new zones created today? No, no changes except one change. The one change is in 15 minutes zone. And this is the 15 minutes zone. In this 15 minute zone, see the most recent supply zone. This is the one, 7th one. Oh, sorry, not 7th one, 8th one. The most recent demand zone. When is this demand zone created? Yesterday. 18/3, 11:30 candle, one base candle. This is the one. Let us go to 15 minutes. This is 11:30 yesterday candle, one base candle. Yesterday we identified. You may ask a question, yesterday we identified, what is the difference? You may ask. Yesterday we identified 15 minutes low priority high liquidity demand zone. In today's price action, this low priority demand zone is changed to high priority high liquidity demand zone. Now this is no more a low priority high liquidity demand zone. This is a 15 minutes high liquidity zone. This is S_DZ. Based on today's price action, it has been considered like that. But one point you have to understand here, today prices went more deep inside. So majority of the orders are consumed here. And no more new zones created in the 15 minutes time frame within this high liquidity. See, there are no more demand zones created. That means tomorrow there are higher chances that this zone will be violated. Unless institutions decide, they again create a new 5-minute zone and push the prices up. If that is the case, in the next retracement we will get an entry within this 15 minutes. Otherwise, except that one possibility, otherwise this zone will be violated. I already explained you in our lesson 16, when a zone will be violated, we can easily identify at least 80% scenarios. If you did not listen lesson 16, please go through. We have 2 parts in lesson 16. You have to go through 2 parts. So one of those part 1 or part 2, I didn't remember, but one of those parts I explained when a zone will be violated with examples. Apart from that, everyday high liquidity zone analysis discussions, I've been always talking about when a zone will be violated, because many times we see, well before we plan the trade, we identify zone will be violated. That way I'm saying this zone, this 15 minutes high liquidity zone will be violated tomorrow mostly. If supply is strong, tomorrow supply is strong, if prices enter into this, mostly it will be violated. The reason is almost near to the distal line prices came today. The only one possibility is if institutions create a new fresh zone, fresh 5 minutes zone, demand zone, again pushes the price up. Again in the next retracement we will get a trade. That is the only one way institutions can save this zone. Otherwise it will be violated. In case if it is violated, the ranges will change. This is going to be the new range. Because next here we have a next high liquidity zone. Yesterday I discussed these points. If due to any reason these supplies are this 5-minute supply is violated, probably this will be the new range. Same thing I told you in our yesterday's session. Nothing much, but yesterday I told you today's price movement will be between this 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone and 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone. That is what happened today. Even though Nifty did a lot of changes today in the market, Nifty changed the trend today completely. Uptrend is changed to sideways today. But nothing happened in Bank Nifty. It doesn't mean Bank Nifty is very strong. Maybe in today's price action in Nifty may influence tomorrow. And moreover, see, I'm clearly seeing the weakness in this 15 minutes high liquidity zone. There are higher chances this 15 minute zone will be violated tomorrow. If that is the case, now again Bank Nifty also the trend will be slightly changed. At least lower time frames trends will be changed. If that is the case, short trades will be enabled. And the long trades, maybe they may create a new high liquidity zones tomorrow. Definitely, after violating these high liquidity zones, that means new high liquidity zones Nifty will create and keep pushing the prices down. Only by end of tomorrow's data we will be knowing how many high liquidity zones are created. But always remember, if you want to plan any trades, if this 5 minute zone is high liquidity zone is violated, if you want to plan any trades, please plan accordingly. Accordingly means what to say, as per short trades. And one more thing, we already fine-tuned this Nifty zone. Yesterday I explained. This fine-tuned area is already tested. It is no more a fresh zone. This will also violate tomorrow. below this, is there any fine-tuned zone? You please do this exercise. You have to do. Just below this, can we find any fine-tuned zone? That means there should be a fresh 75 below, inside 15 minutes, inside 5 minutes. If such kind of thing is available, maybe that may hold the supply for some time. That possibility. Otherwise, this daily demand zone might be violated. If this daily demand zone is violated, probably Nifty trend will be changed. I think current Nifty trend is sideways, daily trend. Let us check. Let us generate daily chain. Daily means lower time frame. See LTF trend. LTF means daily trend. Here ITF is weekly, HTF is monthly. Currently this is a daily time frame, LTF is daily, currently sideways. If this demand zone is violated, Nifty will go to the downtrend. But one thing is, below institutions kept some bear traps. This may work for some time, at least 15 minutes target it may give you, that possibility. That's why I kept the range from here to here. This might hold the prices for some time. But be careful, carefully plan your trades. Unless institutions creates a new demand and push the prices up, otherwise this zone will be violated, remember. So this is about the Bank Nifty analysis. Hope this information will be helpful to you. Hopefully the ranges will change tomorrow. Currently this is the range. This might change tomorrow either towards the downside. There are higher chances. But tomorrow market is bullish. There is another possibility. Same range also, market might move. That possibility is also there. We cannot rule out. Possibility is there. But higher chances, this demand zone will be violated. Because already prices went deep inside and no more fresh fine-tuned demand zones are available in this high liquidity zone. So this is about Bank Nifty's analysis. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.